Lakshmi Vilas Bank has been brought under a moratorium until December 16. Also, the Reserve Bank of India has proposed a draft scheme of amalgamation of the Lakshmi Vilas Bank with DBS Bank. These announcements came from the government and the RBI through separate notifications on November 17th. What does moratorium imply for Lakshmi Vilas Bank customers and creditors? Well, moratorium means that Lakshmi Vilas Bank cannot accept fresh deposits nor grant new loans without prior approval from the RBI. ATMs are also taken off the payment network and EMI payments from the bank are discontinued. Withdrawals have been capped at Rs 25,000 during this period. But what is the trigger for all these developments? Lakshmi Vilas Bank's financial position has been worsening sharply over the last 12 quarters. All efforts to rescue the bank through a market mechanism, including through a potential merger with Clicks Group, failed. At the same time, cash outflows continued. Hence, the RBI and government had finally stepped in to save depositors. Will the DBS deal save the bank? This deal will save the organization by giving the much needed capital to continue servicing its liabilities. RBI said DBIL will bring in additional capital of Rs 2,500 crore upfront to support credit growth of the merged entity. Former non-executive chairman of Canara Bank, T.N. Manoharan, has been appointed as the administrator. Is it the first time such a forced amalgamation is happening? Not really. In 2004, the Oriental Bank of Commerce Global Trust Bank merger happened through such an RBI forced amalgamation. Later in 2006, the amalgamation for IDBI and the United Western happened this way. What does the RBI appointed administrator do? Well, the administrator will oversee the whole process of resolution. He will make sure the plan of amalgamation happens according to the plan. Also, the administrator oversees the day-to-day operations of the lender. As the plan progresses and normalcy returns, the RBI takes a call on whether to relax some restrictions or extend the period of moratorium based on the recommendation of the administrator. When did RBI tighten scrutiny on Lakshmi Vilas Bank? The RBI had initiated prompt corrective action against LVB on September 27th after an on-site inspection. The move was taken due to high NPAs, insufficient capital adequacy levels, negative return on assets, and high leverage for 2 consecutive years. How many times the RBI has imposed a moratorium on banks? In the last 20 years, a total of 10 banks have been put under a moratorium excluding Lakshmi Vilas Bank. The last entrants were PMC Bank in 2019 and Yes Bank in 2020. But should the depositors worry? No, the RBI has assured that the depositors of Lakshmi Vilas Bank and their interests will be fully protected and there is no need to panic. The RBI will prepare the final scheme on the future of Lakshmi Vilas Bank after factoring in the feedback from various stakeholders by the end of the moratorium period. What is Lakshmi Vilas Bank's depositor base? Lakshmi Vilas Bank has a total of 563 branches and a deposit corpus of around 20,900 crore rupees.